Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore unique, budget-friendly finds to help fuel your creativity. In today's video, we're diving into what might just be the best beads assorted colors for jewelry making. The 600 pieces assorted glass crystal beads set from NIUBIER. If you love jewelry crafting, DIY accessories, or simply enjoy dazzling your designs with some sparkle, this kit might be a gem worth discovering. Let's take a closer look at everything that comes in this well-organized little treasure box. When you open the package, you'll find a collection of 600 crystal glass beads neatly packed in a compartmentalized plastic box. The assortment includes 5 different shapes: bicone, square, cube, rondelle, and teardrop, offering plenty of variety for any kind of jewelry project. Each bead is pre-drilled with a 2 mm hole, making them perfect for threading, wire wrapping, or stitching onto fabric. What immediately stands out is the shimmer. These beads have a sparkly, high-shine finish with iridescent coating, which reflects rainbow colors from every angle. Whether you're designing under natural light or artificial lighting, the beads shimmer and shift in color like tiny prisms. It's exactly the kind of bling you want if you're crafting statement pieces or eye-catching details. Sizes include 4 mm, 6 mm, and 8 mm, giving you the flexibility to play with proportions and layering. Whether you're making a pair of earrings, stacking bracelets, or building a tiered necklace, the multi-size approach means you won't be stuck with just one look. Each type of bead adds a different textural element to your creation. The color palette is a cheerful mix of vibrant and soft hues, all in translucent crystal tones. It's a rainbow-inspired mix, which means you won't need to worry about buying additional colors unless you want very specific tones. The colors blend well together, so even beginner crafters can create cohesive and stylish designs without stress. One of the best things about this kit is how versatile it is. Beyond jewelry, these beads can be used in wind chimes, decorative hangings, dream catchers, or even home decor accents. The box makes it easy to store and transport your beads without spills or tangles, so it's also a great option for taking your craft supplies on the go. Whether you're crafting for fun, starting a small jewelry business, or looking for a thoughtful gift for a creative friend, this NIUBIER set delivers great value. It offers quantity, variety, and visual charm, all in one compact and affordable kit. If you're looking for a versatile, colorful, and sparkly bead set that doesn't break the bank, this is absolutely a product worth trying. The ease of use, variety of shapes, and the stunning shine of the beads make it a standout in the crowded DIY jewelry market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another crafty product breakdown. See you in the next one.